GTS over here is going to be the next crazy 812 build on the channel. This one is going to receive the Zikoi wide body package on there, the carbon wide body package. We are doing another one of these builds on an 812 because the super fast version that we did for SEMA 2024, the matte black one with the crazy blue, royal blue interior, that one sold insanely fast, and so many people have been inquiring about the 812 with the Zikoi wide body package. And us over here at Creative Bespoke, we love to one up ourselves every single time we build a car. So the last one we built was a super fast, and it was the coupe. This one is the GTS version, which is the convertible Ferrari 812. As you can see, we already have the seats out of this car. From the factory, this does have a navy blue interior with red stitching. This Ferrari 812 GTS was optioned with the carbon bucket seats, which is a very popular and wanted upgrade in this car. We are going to be doing a complete interior change on this car, as well as the body kit, wheel, suspension, exhaust, absolutely everything on this car will be modified and changed. Now, time frame, when is this car going to be done? When are you going to see more of this car? It is currently December 22nd, which is Sai's birthday. Happy birthday, Sai. But this car is going to be done in 2026, so we're going to start the year off with a bang, with one of the craziest 812 GTSs on the planet, fitted with the Zikoi wide body package, lowered with a beautiful set of AL13 or MB forged wheels, a complete race exhaust system, and a beautiful handcrafted bespoke interior. That Ferrari 812 GTS that is in the showroom, I mentioned that there are no seats. That's because they're right over here already getting disassembled by Javier. To see the backside of what the carbon bucket looks like is pretty unique. You don't usually see that. On this side is all the pretty carbon, and on the back side is all the reinforced side of it.
Look at that. You guys not messing around.
Oh, okay, let's see. It's the hardest part to make.
Really? Let me show you.
Hi.
You see this?
What
shit?
about this?
I mean, that looks like white chicken legs.
I know, but see my muscles. Look at that.
What kind of South American? I'm more South American than you are.
Because you go to the beach a lot. I'm not. I can't wear it.
Beach or no beach, you're a white boy.
Whoa,
You're more white than
Dude, he's whiter than I am.
him. Yeah, he doesn't go
And
to
I'm
beach.
white.
See?
You're a gringo, bro.
Something happened there.
All right, let's get to business, man. What are we planning? Are we trying to figure out what the heck we're gonna do with this car? You know, the white, I'm not crazy about, but it's a beautiful car. It's a 22 with like a couple of thousand miles on it. Highly spec car from factory. You see all the exterior carbon. Interior was carbon seats. I mean, is loaded up. This is our second one. We did the black one a couple of years ago, remember, for SEMA. I think what I decided to do maybe do a complete white out. So we're doing a full white interior. As you guys see, all this is completely gutted. We're doing white with the red accents. I'll show you inside interior. Javi's working on it. Red accents, white, complete white interior. We're gonna paint all the carbon white, clear polish wheels on it, slam, full exhaust. The car will be pretty amazing, and we're gonna do some red accents on the exterior, but that's gonna be the basic look of the car. You know, Marlon is getting all the kit fitted, getting everything set up to start cutting and installing the kit. So I wanna show you kind of what I have in mind on the interior. Javi has a lot of work. Look, this is everything on this car on the interior was blue. Beautiful, don't get me wrong. Like a navy blue with the red, it's kind of funky. We had a car like that. Remember the F8?
Yeah,
had the blue interior. We had a hard time selling it. So we're changing everything. Everything blue on this car is gonna be gone. It's gonna turn white.
The Italian stripe is amazing.
It's amazing.
Oh my goodness.
That's our signature move. That's Javi's signature move.
Yeah.
The first time I asked him to do it, he laughed at me. He did. He laughed at me.
Just like
And
that.
Yeah, exactly. It's like, he tells me, so Italian flag in the middle, and I'm like, yes sir, Italian flag in the middle. So this will be really, really nice. White on white, pretty much. I want to do white wheels, but we decided to have like a piece of jewelry, really high finish, really nice high-end wheels that we're working with MB Forge. Actually, it's the AL13 wheels. Same ones we did on the black one. Marlon absolutely killed it with that one, and he's going to make this one, if not better than that one. And a lot of people want that GTS rather than super fast. A lot of people, like myself, love the GTS or convertible cars. That top-down, open-air experience in a car such as the 812 is such a crazy and unique experience that you don't really get with a lot of these cars.
The A12 GTS is now outside here in the backyard. Everything is mounted and fits properly. Marlon and Ruben are back out here working incredibly hard, getting this kit to fit absolutely perfect so that it can be ready for paint. Sections of the seat are already constructed but not reassembled back onto the seat. You can kind of get a little taste of what we are going to do with the Italian stripe that runs down the middle with the perforations that are mirrored from the middle. Red stitching. This is going to turn out absolutely beautiful. Javi is currently working incredibly hard to get this thing done. We are taking this Ferrari A12 GTS to a show February 15th, so we have to make sure that the interior and exterior are finished and all reassembled so that come February 15th, we can show this car off to you guys.
Let's go.
The bodywork phase on the A12 GTS is officially completed. We brought the car from outside back inside because all of the dirty work is now completed. We are now cutting the rear fenders. The front fenders are already cut to fit the wide body. As you can see, the cuts are perfect, matching the body. Wide body Revolto. You did a coupe or a super fast. You've done Rolls Royce.
McLaren 720.
Multiple.
I'm so excited to keep adding more money in my pocket.
So with that list, do the math in your head, but you can imagine how much money Marlon has actually cut here at Creative Bespoke in only under 2 years. So we just keep racking it up.
A lot of money.
While Marlon is setting up his area to actually cut the rear fenders on this car, let's go into the interior room and talk with Javi because he has made some progress that I want to show you guys. The interior is coming along very, very nicely. But one big major piece that Javi almost has completely completed here is the dashboard. Now, a lot of people don't like the white dashboards because of the glare that they put on the windshield on the car. If you have a complete white dashboard, then the glare runs the entire way through the windshield. But leaving this front section here black will help a lot with the visibility. Here he has his welding blanket set up properly so that we don't damage anything on the car here. Look at this thing. Who wants it? Piece of this A12 GTS rear bumper. I got it right here. I'll ship it to the highest bidder. That was so satisfying. All right, arguably a little bit cooler. The aluminum part of the rear of the A12 Superfast. We got this one, and we also got the plastic piece on the bumper. Whoever's the highest bidder is gonna get them. We have our first pieces coming out of the paint booth here. This is the rear section of the bumper. This is painted white with the carbon flares here in the middle exposed. Everything, and I mean absolutely everything on this Ferrari A12 GTS is going to be in white. The front lip, all of the flares on the sides of the car are gonna be painted white. The side skirt's gonna be painted white. Even the mesh across the front bumper is going to be white. The calipers are currently red. These are going to stay red. They're not going to be white, just to contrast the interior a little bit. If we take a closer look at this over fender here, this is, for example, the passenger side. The entirety of this is painted white, but we do have the back edges of these louvers here exposed, so you can see that carbon fiber through the white. The goal is to have subtle hints, but obviously have a loud car at the exact same time. Let's see what this looks like.
Yo, can you put this from the behind? I don't know, I'm kind of digging it.
It actually does look really good.
Yeah, it's definitely something different.
I'm gonna have to paint it, bro.
All white?
Yeah, even though it's carbon, I don't want to paint it white, but like leave a little bit of carbon because we only left those on that. So I was thinking maybe leave these winglets white or this little lip on top white.
Hey, did you check out the interior?
Wow, look at that.
It looks so good.
Huh? Oh yeah, no, this is a rear actually. Yeah, it's gonna be nice, man. Little red, touch of red, and it's just gonna bling on that car.
One of the final interior pieces we are waiting on is the seats. Javi has constructed them here, but they still need to be put together. You can see they look absolutely stunning, and I can't wait to see them installed back into the A12. To give you a side-by-side comparison of what Ferrari OEM is capable of and then what we are capable of, you can see all of the simple designs here in this old Ferrari seat, and then you can see all of the very unique design details that we did in this reupholster. You have obviously the Italian flag that runs up down the middle. You also have the mirrored perforation diamond design, red stitches of course to keep the theme on the old, and then these inserts are red leather to contrast on the white. This looks absolutely beautiful.
Wait. Voy a levantarlo de adelante para pegarle eso.
What are we thinking?
Is it gordito, huh? I mean, it's definitely a statement.
Wow.
Damn! That looks so good.
Take these bolts out of the bottom. Right here, these are your motor mounts. It'll lift the engine up.
It relocates it from there to there.
Yeah, so your piece is gonna drop straight down to the ground and sit flat.
To formally introduce you to our 2022 Bespoke Ferrari A12 GTS.